You know, it is amazing. Hypertech is known as a world leader in high-performance engine tuning. But you know, with the new the new power sports tunes, you got so much horsepower added with just a tune. I think accessories, and of course these kits would be a natural next step. So you got a tire recovery kit, and this is great. This whole kit, this is, you know, the recovery and the tire patch kit together are really a no-brainer, because this is a complete tire kit.
Oh, yeah.
You got a zillion little plugs, you even have valve stem. So if you cut a valve stem on the road, and you got your patches, you got your reamer, needle nose pliers, razor, everything's in here.
Oh yeah, that's a great kit, and it packs up really small, which is perfect for the UTVs.
There's the patches. Boy, I tell you, you can really open up your own tire shop on the road if you got this. That's great.
Hey, when you need it, you need it.
And a small, you know, very, very small, dense pack that's going to fit nice in your UTV. Now, this is your recovery kit, which is cool because now, you ever been stuck on the road, you'll realize how useful these parts are. Give me the rundown of what these are.
Well, the big thing about this recovery kit is it's built and sized for the UTVs.
Right.
You know, most of the recovery kits out there are way too big. You don't have room like that on a UTV to store something that gigantic. So let me tell you a little bit about the parts.
Okay.
These right here, these are soft shackles, okay? Super simple to use, but basically you hook it onto the razor on one of the bars or something, and that's your towing point. That's your pull point for when you hook up a tow rope or a winch.
And everything's got like a little Hypertech sleeve on it, so it's not going to get grimy with all, you know.
We're engineers, but some of the people at Hypertech actually do like how things look.
I like the detail, that's cool. How much will that hold?
This thing is 14,000 pounds. It's all synthetic rope. Wow. So that thing is small and compact, but it's super durable and super tough.
Right. Hypertech gloves, I like that.
Right, we like to have a little bit matching here. You know, when you start trying to winch and pull somebody out, protecting your hands is actually a big deal. Why not look like you know what you're doing when you get there? So that was the idea.
Now here's something that's real crucial. Tell me about that. A lot of people don't realize how useful that tool is.
Right, well, that's one of those things that when the proverbial hits the fan, this snatch block here is what you're gonna need. You know, that's if you're sliding off in a bad position where you can't pull yourself straight out. You can use that to kind of turn the corner, okay? So that's your snatch block. You run your rope in there, pull yourself up to the side. It actually, you can use that to double up your pulling power of your winch, because you know the way that works is it's a pulley mechanism. So now you've doubled your pulling power to get up a hill, over a rock, or out of a ravine or something.
You know what I like about this? It's solid, and but it's compact. So this is going to be the perfect thing for your UTV.
It's compact and sized for the UTV. Just like this shackle here. You know, this is a hard metal shackle as opposed to the soft shackle. This one, basically, it's just a little bit smaller. It's made for the UTV size rather than, you know, like a Jeep. Right. So that's sturdy, though. I would imagine that's really going to hold a lot of pressure on that. I mean, this is immense. Yeah. So that's cool, and it fits right too. Yeah. The other part, you know, good tie-in with these other things here is our tree saver. Now, we didn't shrink the size of the tree saver because that's the point of it, is it's to protect the environment. Hey, I need to use that tree, but I don't want to damage it. So we don't want to make it smaller. Matter of fact, it's actually got these Hypertech branded pads on it to do an even better job with that. So it's going to help you get out for sure. Right. It also serves that's another 10-foot tow rope, if you will, if you need to use it like that. So speaking of which, speaking of tow ropes, our tow rope here is 7/16. Okay, that's all synthetic. It's 20,000 pounds. So if you're stuck so bad that a Jeep has to get you out, that works. You have the stuff to get you out. And the cool thing is, this all goes together and fits in this, so you're not going to waste a lot of space. Right. UTV isn't known for a lot of cargo space, so when space is limited, something important like that takes up a small amount of space. That's a great move. Right. That was the idea behind it. So if you want to know more, you go to hypertech.com for all the information about all these products.